Hello SNU stars, welcome back to another episode of SNU Amplified where we are real, raw and unfiltered. I'm your host Arisa Mukherjee back again. With my guest is my lovely friend Parijat.
Hey, I'm Pari and I'm from 4th semester psychology.
Fifth
Semester psychology department.
I mean, we are 5th semester overnight. She's also my classmate though. Best friend. Okay, best friend. So Pari, welcome to the 4th episode of Love and Chaos.
सुबह से मैं ही नहीं थी.
Yes, I'm gonna torture you today. So how are you feeling? I mean, the weather has a mood swing already.
All sunshines and rainbow, bro. All
Rainbows are dead.
unicorns are rotting.
They're being fed by Death Eaters.
Are we going on?
No. Okay, let's start with the topic since we're already on it. So we have seen, like, as a person who is going in 3rd year, we have seen the little children. let's consider them as little right now.
They're
Having
just
like
few years younger than us, bro.
still.
Okay.
So, I mean, they have their cute little couple moments. How do you feel about them?
The couples, they're very very sweet. They're holding hands, they're feeding each other on the fruit truck area
Yes,
and on the tapri. Sometimes also on the corridors and everything. But that's so sweet. That's so cute.
I know, right? They're matching their clothes, they're feeding each other.
Yes. The spirit of the teen
Young
spirit.
love.
Yeah.
So, as a person who is in their adult life,
Mhm.
and me too, from my side too, what do you think are the most key important parts of a relationship?
So that you have asked me this question, I cannot answer this in a small way. Is
I
it
know.
alright if I just broaden it
Go
up?
on.
Okay.
We are here for ranting today.
So for me, communication, comprehension, and transparency in a
Yes.
relationship, the and sense of responsibility.
Comprehension.
Not the English passage.
Okay.
For God's sake. The understanding.
Go on.
So communication is completely, how do I say it, empty, shelled completely if there is no understanding of what you're trying to say. I'll explain that with an example. Let's say my partner and I, we get into a fight. We have an argument. He tells me something like, you know what, Pari, you have done something which I have not liked. It has hurt me. I would not attack him like, you also did that few days ago. I did not say anything. I would not do that. I have done something that's hurt him, and that's it. I'll change it. And let's say that is something inevitable. I cannot avoid it.
I mean, that's corrective behavior.
Yeah, I mean, what I'm trying to say is, let's say there is something I cannot avoid.
Huh.
We'll come to a middle ground to it. Something even he agrees with, something I can do. So no attacking each other whatsoever. He tells you or she tells you that something's hurt her or them. You do not question it. You do not validate, justify someone hurting someone. You do not do that.
Agree.
And transparency, communication, comprehension.
When you're talking about transparency, how far do you think couples should be transparent among themselves? I mean, there are times when, one of the partner gets a text from their ex or from a person they had crush on long time ago, and then they're like, nahi batate hain, nahi to jhagda hoga. Like, how
I think you should tell them. I mean, as I have said, just a few moments back, that your partner should be your best friend. If you're getting a text from your ex, I would rush to my best friend to say that, you know what happened, who texted me.
I mean, I agree. As a person,
And bitch about my ex with my partner, yes. That is a must.
I mean, that is a must part.
That is a must.
So, are you big on games?
Yes, I love games.
Because I have one for you.
Please go ahead.
Okay, so this is for the viewers too. So it is a game where I'm going to give you a rating of the person that considers a rating.
Like those YouTube.
Yes,
things?
yes. And the habit they have.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to start with the worst one to make it a nightmare for you. Okay,
I'm counting on you for this one.
So he is a considerable 8.
Considerable.
Yes,
Okay,
but he
that's a
picks
new
on his nose and doesn't wipe or clean his hand.
For the entire day?
Yes. He picks on his nose, you have seen it from far, and he holds your hand after that.
Minus 7,000 on
Aura.
10.
That's a minus aura.
That's a minus aura.
Okay, so you understood the game?
Yeah.
Okay, let's start with this. Let me start with a she because that's something we don't really do.
Okay. I'm thinking of the Bengali she.
She's a 5.
Okay.
She says that she's a 5.
Mm-hmm.
But she cooks amazing. Like you can just tear the whole world apart and she's the best cook.
She's still a 5.
What do you mean?
I mean, cooking is a basic thing you should be able to do. Basic human trait.
And what if that's a he?
Still a 5. You're not doing anything
Good.
special by cooking. Everyone has to cook.
Okay, now he considers himself a 2,
Okay.
but he gets you just because flowers.
That's a 1700 right there. On top.
I know, right? So now let's do a couple, okay?
Alright.
So this couple consider themselves as like they are the 10 on 10 couples, they are the most aesthetic couple, but all of their life is on the social media. Like from the smallest detail.
That's a 7. I mean, if we are putting pictures of yourself on the social media,
No. Every fight they have, everything they do is on social media.
2 on 10. 2 on 10. I do not need to know your domestic violence things.
I mean, I understand that's very annoying at some point of time.
But the drama's fun. If I find a couple who's fighting on the social media, I'm like,
I mean,
give
yes,
me more
part
tea.
1, part 2.
Give me more tea. I need to know why you guys broke up.
I mean, those are some of the parts. Like, I used to follow a gay couple, and they were the most amazing couple I had ever
I
seen.
guess I know.
Yes, everyone was
When you
so
come
hurt.
home?
Yes. Everyone was so hurt that they broke up. They were like, "Why did you guys break up?" So coming on the pride, and since we are already on the topic of love, and LGBTQ community is known for love. How do you feel about them?
To each their own, man. If you're happy and you're not bothering anybody, I don't think anybody has the right to bother you as well. If you're doing just your thing, I mean, at the end of the day, love's love, bro. Soul finds the soul. But the
We are
body's
all
just
ashes.
Yep, the
We
body's
are
just
all
a cage.
ashes. I completely agree. So as a youth, that is the most lovely thing for them. They just find their
I
love.
think love itself is a lovely thing. It just makes people sweet. It pushes them into their lover people era and everything. If you know what I mean.
Yes, totally. So as a Gen Z, we are Gen Z, and we love putting name on everything. We have cuffing, we have soft launching, we have breadcrumbing. What was there again? Situationship?
Wait, speaking of which, do you know there's a shit called nanoship?
What's nanoship?
Let me explain. Let me do you the favor.
No.
Wait. Let me. So first is relationship, the OG one. Okay. From that we have watered it down to situationship, and from that people have watered it down to nanoship. Do not ask me beyond that. I do not know.
Viewers, we need it from you.
Humor us. Enlighten us, please.
Okay, so talking about the topics and coming on soft launching, I mean, there are people who soft launch just for the aesthetics. What about you?
I'm a hard launch person.
Just
Completely.
punch it on their face.
Yep. I'm with this person. See, he's a good looking one. See.
I mean, that's my man.
Yup.
Lana Del
Darling,
Rey.
I said though. But you haven't seen my man. You haven't
Seen my man. I mean, there's another song from Doja Cat that's Agora Hills that says, put a rock on her hand, rub it in the face, put
I
a
know.
rock on her hand.
I know the song, I can't sing it.
Oh no.
I can sing Sabrina Carpenter, but we should stop here.
We should stop here. I mean, go on the soft launching part.
Soft, I'm a hard launching person, but I'll still speak on that because I have the platform too, just because I can. So, I guess if you're with somebody, you should not hide it. At least if you have to hide it from your parents, we get that.
Yes.
But people around you, people who have no problem with, for example, your friends, your peers, your social circle, I think you should make it known that you have a partner, because other people might think you're single and hit on you, and that's not pretty. That's a very awkward situation. So I think even if you're
There
soft
are
launch,
people, do you know, there are people who would just say that I'm not going to post anything of you because it's going to mess up my feed.
can I bring on the game part, dating part here a bit?
Yes.
That's a run on 10. That's a run on 10.
I completely agree on that. Just run away from
Yeah,
those
just
people.
run away from those people. Bro, they are not worth your time. If the person cannot acknowledge you in front of their friends or peers, they do not love you, bro. They do not love you.
Run away.
Yup,
Just
run.
So, we have heard about the term falling in love. And many of us do, and many of us just don't want to agree on it. What do you think?
I think it's a very subjective feeling. It's a person to person. For some people, they're more uptight about it, because I know a few people who are like, bro, I'll not fall in love. They go complete Shah Rukh Khan from Dar. Pyar ho gaya mujhe. Mujhe pyar ho gaya. They complete go like
Oh
that.
my god.
And then there are people who are like, there's this one person and this and that, and they go complete Hello Kitty.
Oh my
mode.
god.
So it's subjective thing. I think it's falling in love in itself is a, how do you say it? A procedure, a feeling,
A
a
lovely
ritual.
feeling.
Yeah. I mean, I would want to remember that all my life. The
agree.
first moment.
The
I would
first
remember
sight to the first food.
that. Yeah, the first everything. Couples have this weird habit of how do I say it in a more fun way? Making everything a bit Urvashi Rautela style. The first
What?
of every woman. She's the first of every woman. You do not know the meme?
No.
You're on the good side of the internet. But yeah, what I'm trying to say is couples have this habit, right? That first things like first date, first coffee,
Yes,
first fight.
I
I
understand.
personally enjoy that. Anyone who's posting their couple like date pictures, fun activity pictures, I'm a sucker for them. You post it, I'll actually see it and wish good. Do not worry. I do not wish bad.
No nazar to
But
them.
but I love when people are in love. Women in love, men in
Men in
love,
love.
pasandida mard,
I mean,
pasandida aurat.
I
Just people
swear.
in love are so
So cute.
and so human, bro.
I
so
know.
human.
They just get their humanity
Exactly.
back.
They're all smiles and suddenly they're smiling, they're happy, they're doing everything they want to
Suddenly
do.
the thought of killing someone leaves.
Yeah, and the big thing, career.
Yes.
If you're with a nice person, if you're
you
with
want
the,
to focus on your career.
that's one sign. If you are with a nice and healthy person, you automatically become more career oriented because you want to do better for that person. And that's another sign. If you're just not doing well, if you're just getting depressed and everything, your career is out of the box, everything's going haywire, that's a sign you should leave that person.
I mean, that is negative
Tried and
aura for
tested.
that. So, wrapping up today's episode, why don't you give our viewers one thing to remember?
Don't
always.
cheat. Don't cheat.
On anyone.
Yup. And especially on exams.
I'm out.
Two
I'm
best friends
out.
in a room.
They might make a podcast.
And it's gonna be fire.
We did.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
We said that.
Let's
Word
go.
on fire.
Okay. Wrapping up today. Thank you, our viewers, for joining in.
Like, share, and subscribe.
I'm your host, and this is Pari,
Yeah.
your guest, signing off for Fashion Amplified. This is
Fun watching.
Roy.
It can't be
and
altered.
Twitter.
Hard enough to make a hottie harder bot legend new